Is your wedding coming up soon? Or any other big event? Do you want even-toned, smooth, glowing skin for this special occasion? If so, keep on watching. Because in today's video, I'm going to talk about vitamin C, an ingredient that can help you achieve all these results in a very short time. Hello, this is Diba. I love science skincare and science of skincare, and today I'm going to talk about what vitamin C is, why it is so important for skin, how to choose the best vitamin C serum, and how to get the most out of this skincare powerhouse. What is vitamin C? As the name suggests, it's a vitamin, and unless you've been living under a rock, you must have heard about it, as it is the most popular ingredient in the skincare industry. Vitamin C is very important for our body, but unfortunately, our body can't make it on its own. So, for the body, we get vitamin C by eating foods containing it like fruits or green vegetables. Vitamin C is also very beneficial for our skin, but we can't get vitamin C for our skin by eating foods, because to get the benefits for the skin, we need to apply vitamin C topically, which means on the skin through skincare products. Why do you need vitamin C? Now, you might be wondering, why do I need to go through the trouble of searching for a vitamin C product? What would it do for my skin? Actually, vitamin C will do a lot for your skin. Benefit number 1, antioxidant. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant. This means it can fight oxidative stress. Oxidative stress damages our skin tissues and ages our skin faster. Vitamin C can prevent this from happening. Benefit number 2, collagen. Collagen is the building block for our skin. It gives our skin structure and elasticity, but our skin loses collagen as we age. Vitamin C can help in the production of this collagen to keep us looking young. Benefit number 3, photoaging protection. Sunscreen protects our skin from the UV rays, but it can't give the full protection from the free radical damages. Using vitamin C with sunscreen can give us much higher protection from these damages. Benefit number 4, reducing hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C can interfere with the melanin production in the skin. It can reduce dark spots, sunspots, and fade acne marks. Benefit number 5, healing wounds. Vitamin C works really well to heal wounds, and it also works to prevent skin cancer. Benefit number 6, beautiful glow. I think this is the benefit that made vitamin C so popular. Using a good vitamin C serum can really give your skin a nice, healthy, even-toned shine and glow. And who doesn't want that, right? How to choose a vitamin C serum? It's very important to choose the right vitamin C product. Otherwise, you'll not be getting the benefits you are hoping for. There are 2 main things that you need to check before buying a vitamin C product: ingredients and packaging. Ingredient. In skincare, the vitamin C we use is called L-ascorbic acid. Remember this name because it's super important. L-ascorbic acid is the vitamin C that has thousands of studies regarding its benefit for our skin. But there are a lot of brands in the market that will name their product vitamin C, but when you look into the ingredient list, you'll find no L-ascorbic acid. The reason is, these brands use derivatives of vitamin C. Now, what are derivatives? Derivatives are the ingredients that are made from L-ascorbic acid, but are chemically different. Now, while these vitamin C derivatives are similar to L-ascorbic acid in some aspects, they are not the same thing. So, my suggestion is, look for a vitamin C product that contains the name L-ascorbic acid in its ingredient list. Now, I have a bonus tip for you. There are some ingredients that act as a booster to vitamin C, such as ferulic acid or vitamin E. So if your vitamin C product has one or both of these, that's even better. Packaging. The second most important thing for a vitamin C serum is its packaging. Vitamin C or L-ascorbic acid is very unstable by nature, meaning it oxidizes or loses its effectiveness very quickly and very easily. Here are some tips for choosing a vitamin C product with the right packaging. Vitamin C or L-ascorbic acid can't stand light, air, or heat. If you leave your product in a hot place, it will spoil. If the packaging of the product lets in air and light every time you use it, it will spoil. So look for a brand that uses opaque packaging, meaning you can't see through the packaging from the outside. This way the light won't be able to penetrate the bottle. Another thing to look for is whether the container is airtight. If it's a pump system with a cap over the pump, it's even better. Now, before I discuss how to use a vitamin C product to get the most benefits, there are a few myths surrounding it that I want you to know about. Number 1, you must use vitamin C from 8 to 20%. For a long time, I believed that vitamin C less than 8% and more than 20% is useless. But that's not correct. There's no study to show that vitamin C below 8% is useless. So if there's a vitamin product you're enjoying, don't worry about the percentage. Number 2, you must use vitamin C in a serum form. No, you can use a vitamin C in a moisturizer, toner, or any other form you like. But personally, I do prefer to use a serum as it's more concentrated and it's easier to add or remove from your skincare routine. Number 3, sensitive skin people cannot use L-ascorbic acid. False. It all depends on the formulation. But if you have tried and failed to tolerate L-ascorbic acid, then you might look for some alternatives to vitamin C. Leave a comment below if you want me to make a video on it. How to use a vitamin C serum properly? You can use your vitamin C product either at night or during the day. But I strongly recommend using it in the morning if you're going outside. Because as I mentioned earlier, if you layer your vitamin C product with your sunscreen, it can provide you a greater photoaging protection. Do not use it on your damp or wet face because it can enhance penetration and increase irritation to the skin. So wash your face first either with a cleanser or with just water. Then let your skin dry completely. Then take your favorite vitamin C product, wait 2-3 minutes after applying it. Then either go on with your moisturizer or sunscreen. Product recommendations. Some of my favorite vitamin C products are the Revelation 3% and 12% vitamin C serum, CeraVe Skin Renewing Vitamin C Serum, Rohto Melano CC Essence. If you have any more questions, leave it below. See you next time. Till then, take care of yourself and remember to love the skin you're in. This is Diba signing off today from Diba's Quest.